Earth is the only known planet to be able to sustain life. Millions and billions of species of plants and animals have existed on planet Earth, all of which are bound by dependency on each other, and some evolved to form various new species, while some faced extinction due to their unfavorable climate. A vicious cycle subsists in which humans, species, and climate change are knitted. Over the years, climate change has played a role to adversely affect life. Climate change affects at least 10,967 species on the IUCN Red List of threatened species.
Increased temperature causing ice melting, leading to habitat loss. Physical behavior of animal is also affected as they move from lower latitude areas to higher latitude. Warming temperatures affect the seasonal life cycle events of species such as mating, hatching, or migration. Raised CO2 leading to global warming had increased photosynthesis, which has reduced availability of food and competition in predation. Moreover, forest fires and flooding due to climate change is also a major cause of species extinction.
Human activities can also contribute to a loss of habitat. Development for housing, industry, and agriculture reduce the habitat of native organisms. This loss of habitat can happen in different ways. Development can eliminate habitat and native species directly. In the Amazon rainforest of South America, developers have cleared hundreds of thousands of acres. To clear a piece of land means to remove all trees and vegetation from it. The Amazon rainforest is cleared for cattle ranches, logging, and urban use.
Climate change possesses one of the greatest threats to the polar ecosystem. Due to the increase in the rate of shrinking glaciers, animals like polar bears, penguins have begun to distract from the places they can call home. International Union for the Conservation of Nature claims that 11 out of 17 known species of penguins are at risk.
The population of polar bears have also been decreased 15% over the past few decades. These animals use ice for hunting and resting. Global warming have deprived them all from their homes.
Walruses. Today, biggest threat facing walruses is the loss of stable ice due to climate change. North Atlantic right whales, which can grow to be 55 feet long, are also being affected by climate change. There are less than 500 right whales left in the world. This is an endangered animal that has been affected by global warming due to climate change. Dense patches of zooplankton are the main food source of these right whales. Increase in seawater temperature, wind, ocean currents affect the formation of these patches. Any shift in the zooplankton patches will ultimately affect the population of right whales. Cod fish. Climate change also have an effect on cod fish. Cod fish in the Atlantic Ocean have limited water temperature in which they can reproduce and grow. 54 degrees Fahrenheit is the maximum temperature at which they can survive over the year. The population of codfish have really decreased in the Atlantic Ocean due to increase in seawater temperature.
Climate change also has an effect on salmon fish. Shrinking glaciers have decreased the flow of river, causing problem for salmon fish by limiting the journey. Another problem that a salmon fish face is an increasing water temperature due to climate change. Average temperature for salmon fish is 55 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Increase in water temperature reduce the reproduction rate of salmon fish. That will be the cause of extinction. Sea turtles are another group of species affected by climate change. Their reproduction has been affected by rise in sea level. Huemul turtles nest on beaches. The rise in sea level led to the erosion of these eggs, resulting in the reduction of sea turtles population that will be the ultimate cause of their extinction or endangered level.
So I am going to conclude my topic with the statement that climate crisis is not a problem of one nation or one specific region, it's for all the earth. Therefore we as a humans have to realize our duties, our part and act now in changing our behavior towards environment and respect the mother nature which ultimately decide our fate. So the message is that time is running out. We can never sit back and wait for a miracle to save us because in terms of science miracles don't happen but efforts happen, thought happens and that can change the whole scenarios because we only have that planet to live, so it is our right to protect it. Thank you.